So we are looking at how to use Canva Docs with Magic Write and bulk create to create a number of content, either reels or posts, in a matter of minutes. So you would click on Docs and then get into Magic Write, and I'll just click on it. And then from there, you get a blank design. And you click on the plus sign there, and you're looking for Magic Write. And so you want to put in whatever prompt you want to put in. I'm looking for 5 tips on better skin, 12 tips on how to cook chicken, whatever, right? I've done one that's 5 tips for better portraits, right? So I got my 5 tips. I would highlight all of those and copy them and paste them into a spreadsheet, which I've already done here. And I would save that spreadsheet as a CSV file, right? Once I've done that, I would come back into Canva, and I just opened up one of my common templates that I just use all the time. And I've already pasted in the text box the text that I want to use from the very first line of that CSV file. So I'm going to go to Apps, Bulk Create, Upload CSV, scroll on down to my deal, better portraits. There we go. I'm going to open it up, and it's like, oh, this is what you want. So I need to right click on my information. Oh, let me highlight that first. Hold up. Oh, it never fails. There we go. Connect my data. Yes. It's like, okay, looks like it's the same thing. Let me continue. And I'm like, yep, create all of these. And then blammo, it's created for me all of my content, and they're as videos, right? There's video playing here. Now I would of course go in and do all the editing and what have you. But if you wanted to change out to the video or anything, maybe you didn't want a video on the second one, you just want like a regular picture, then all you have to do is either use their images or videos, because they do have videos and things built in here, or you can create your own, put your own in there and just edit. And I do suggest adding a little bit of your own intuition and knowledge in here versus using it straight out the box, but you can use it straight out the box too. It's like, that's no big deal. But that is it. It's done. You save it, and there you go. So imagine if you had 30 or 40 quotes. That's 30 or 40 pieces of content already done. And then you can post it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, wherever you want to post it. Nice. Very nice.